Hello friends, welcome to Technical Jamana YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use Windows operating system in already exists Linux operating system. Let's go. For that you need to install a virtual machine, that is VMware. It is a open source software. A virtual machine is a virtual environment that works like a computer within a computer. Let's install VMware software. To install VMware, go to Google search and search for the VMware Workstation Pro 16. Let's install it. Click to the first link. Scroll down, then you can see here there are two links, Workstation 16 Pro for Windows and Workstation 16 Pro for Linux. Here this is for Windows and this is for Linux operating system. Download the Linux one because I am using Linux operating system. If you are using Windows operating system, in Windows is much easy to install. Just all need to do is double click and install the file. Here in Linux there is some process, so I am using Linux operating system, that's why I am downloading the Linux one. Here the link button, click on it. Here the file is VMware Workstation, which is 500 MB. Download it. I already downloaded in my system, so don't worry. If you are not, then you can download it. Here the file VMware Workstation I stored in music folder. After that, open terminal where the file is located. In that you have to open your terminal, right click open, then after you have to write and execute with sudo space bash dot slash file name of the file name. I am copying it. Copy and paste here. Enter. Here it will ask you the system password. Enter your system password. Then it will take some time to installation. After that the software will be installed. But here I am already installed the software, that's why it's showing like this. Don't worry, I have already installed that. I am just telling you the process of installation. Okay, let's open the software. Okay, go to menu. Here the software icons, VMware Player and VMware Workstation. This is the main app and the player is the secondary. You can open anything. I am opening VMware Player. Here I want to try VMware Workstation for 30 days. Select it, finish. Here you have to enter your system password. This is the VMware interface. Looks like this. First of all, you have to create a new virtual machine. Select it and use ISO image. Here you have to use ISO image of the operating system. For that, go to a browser, take a new tab. For the ISO file, .iso file, just type Windows 10 ISO file download. Here click on the first link, click on it. Here you can download the ISO file, which is operating system file. Select the edition, Windows 10, confirm, and choose a language. Choose English, confirm. Here there are two options, one is 64-bit and another one is 32-bit. 64-bit is my computer, so I am downloading the 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, then go for the 32-bit. So click on the 64-bit download button. Here the ISO file, it is 5.4 GB around. Okay, you have to download it, but here I am already downloaded the file. Don't worry, I am closing the tabs. Here you have to browse the ISO file. Here these are my downloaded ISO files, which is Ubuntu 19.4, Ubuntu 18.4 and Parrot, Linux, all the Windows 10, all ISO files are. I am already downloaded it. I am choosing Windows 7. Open. Next. Click on next. Then here the name of ISO file. If you want to put a password, then you can for the login. Next. Yes. Here you can change a virtual machine name, Windows 7. Next. Here this is a disk size page. Here you can set your disk size for the virtual machine, for the virtual image. I am setting it to 200 GB because my system is 500 GB. It will take 200 GB for the image. Store virtual disk as a single file. Select on it and go to next. Here you can customize hardware for the virtual image. Here you can set RAM, memory. My system memory is up to 4 GB, so I am giving it to 2 GB for the virtual image. Here this is processors. All other settings you can customize as if you want. Close it, go to finish. It will take some time to creating a disk. Here the virtual machine is, it allows you to run an operating system in an app window on your desktop that behaves like a full and separate computer. Okay. After the process, the VMware will give you Windows operating system environment, and you can use both Ubuntu and Windows operating system separately. And you can install any software in Windows and save the files on it, because we allocated 200 GB disk for the Windows. The main thing is the virtual machine will give you separate environment to do your tasks. Okay. Here, after that, the virtual image will be processing. After loading files, the Windows will be starting. Here, starting Windows. After the setup, the Windows is installing, which which are copying the main image files into the virtual machine. It will take some time, so please wait for some time. After these all things, it will be restart. You have to restart now. Click on a restart now. It will restart and give you the Windows environment. Here you can see it is starting Windows environment. There you can go. Here the Windows 7 desktop that you are seeing. Just cancel it. This is the Windows 7 virtual image. Here this is the option for the virtual machine to exit a full screen. Click on it, you can exit. Here virtual machine settings is one of the option. Let's click on it. You can see here you can change your system settings, all things that you want to change, and you can install any software in Windows and save the files on it. You can save files on it because we allocated 200 GB disk for Windows 7. Okay, if you do any task in this environment and you save it, it will be saved until. Okay, don't worry. Let's check. Once create a new file, text document. I am creating a text document. Okay, open it. I am writing some data and file, save. Here I am saving the file. After that I will close the environment of virtual machine. Go to virtual machine, go to power, then you can see power off guest. Click on it. You have to click S, then shut down. Okay, here you go. Your virtual machine is completely shut down. Once again I am opening the virtual machine. Let's check if that file is present on it or not. Go to Windows 7 and click on power on. The virtual machine is starting the image of Windows 7. Click on OK. It is starting like as usual, same as another system. Start Windows normally. Enter. The Windows system is starting. Here you can see both Windows and Ubuntu operating system side by side. You can use both. Here the file is present. I am opening it. Here the data is also present. So there is no worries to loss of data. Okay. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share. Hit a like button. Okay. Here if your virtual machine is not working, then do this. Go to the power and restart the system. Click to the restart it. After that you have to go to the BIOS settings. For the BIOS settings, click F10. Here these are the BIOS settings. Next you have to go system configurations. Go to the system configuration and check virtualization technology is enabled or not. If the virtual technology is enabled, then your virtual machine will be worked. Otherwise the virtual machine will not be work. Okay, let's save and close the BIOS and restart your system. Okay, let's do it. I'm exiting. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching Technical Zamana YouTube channel. Do subscribe, share, hit a like button. Thank you. Bye bye.